Hello everyone, I'm Abranisha, final year AADS department. Now I'm going to talk about my project, design a dynamic wireless charging hub for moving EV. These are the agendas and introductions are design the limited range of electric vehicles in comparison to conventional powered vehicles. One additional drawback is the time consuming and laborious charging process. To enable comfortable and autonomous battery charging, IoT development effort is invested in inductive charging system. We are introducing a IoT charging slots in parking lots. Statement of the problems are dependence on physical plug-in charging causes inconvenience and time loss, lack of wireless charging infrastructure for moving or parked EVs, limited real-time monitoring of charging status and energy usage. And the objectives are design and develop a smart dynamic wireless charging hub that enables contactless energy transfer to moving EV with real-time monitoring and RFID based automated billing for efficient and convenient charging. The scope of the project are design a dynamic wireless charging system for EV operating during parking, enable real-time monitoring for energy transfer, charging status and usage data. The target audience are city planners and transportations authorities. Deliverables are a functional prototype are simulations of the dynamic wireless charging hub, real-time monitoring dashboards for charging and energy consumptions. And the inclusions are real-time tracking for energy consumption and charging status, performance evaluation based on charging efficiency and energy transfer rates, integrating the RFID based vehicle identification and automated billings. Exclusions are mostly the physical development on public roads or highways, support for all EV models and battery technologies. And our scope for use simulated and experimental data related to wireless power transfer, efficiency, vehicle movement, and charging durations. And the limitations are dependencies on simulated or controlled environmental data rather than real world road conditions. These are the methodologies and these are the architect diagram. First, the IR sensor, then ESP32 microcontroller, relay, WPT transfer, receiver, battery, voltage sensor, and again a controller, data transfer, IoT updated, and billing system. These are the use case diagrams, class diagram, sequence diagram. These are the hardwares like microcontroller, IR sensors, voltage sensor, RFID reader and tag, WPT module, switch, LCD, battery, power supply, and the softwares are we are used embedded CC. Implementations are IR and voltage sensors are infrared with the ESP32 microcontroller. Vehicle presence and parking status are detected using IR sensors. Powerless wire transfer is controlled through relay switching. Sensor data is transmitted to the IoT platform via Wi Fi. These are the code segments. The output can be displayed through the IoT Begin 067 website. You can use the password login ID to login. Then you can see your output for the charging points and available balance. This is the output for the vehicle status, vehicle number, charging amount, time and date with action, and also the balance also displayed. These are the test cases. The result of our project is successful implementation of the dynamic wireless charging prototype for moving EVs, optimized system performance under real-time operating conditions, enhanced charging efficiency compared to conventional static systems, improved reliability of power transfer during continuous motion, demonstrated scalability for multi-land charging applications. These are our conclusions and the future work is there. Improve power transfer efficiency, develop advanced control algorithms for real-time power regulations, extend the system for multi-lane and long-distance charging routes, conduct large-scale real-world tests and performance validations. These are the reference we are taking for our project. And